Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone onto the Slack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use Slack for workplace communication, but you do decide to move locations. How do you actually go ahead and change your time zone on the Slack app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto Slack. Next, on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then, go ahead and click on Preferences. From here, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Language and Region, and then click on Time. Now, this is where you could actually set your time zone automatically, or you can toggle off and set your time zone yourself. So with that being said, that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your time zone on the Slack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.